Okay, students, we are still dividing decimals. What we're going to do today is a little bit different than what I normally make my videos. I want you all to get a sheet of paper and a pencil out. And I'm going to put a problem down on the board, and I'm going to give you time to do the problem, and then we're going to go over the problem. Okay? So the first problem is 14 65/100 divided by 5/100. Okay, I want you all to do it, and then we're going to go over it. Make sure you have the dividend on the inside. Remember the first number, if you look at your Cornell notes we took, the first number is the one that goes on the inside, the dividend, 14 65/100. The second number is your divisor, 5/100. So go ahead and complete the problem. Okay, let's look at it. You have to look at the divisor. Since the divisor has a decimal point in it, we have to make the decimal point. We have to make the divisor, if you remember, into a whole number. So we're going to move the decimal point 2 places here. Okay, if we move it 2 places there, we have to move it 2 places in your dividend, and then straight up. Okay, can 5 go into 1? It cannot. So if you remember, we put the 0 over the 1. Can 5 go into 14? 5 goes into 14 2 times. So 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, bring down the 6. 5 goes into 46 9 times, which is 45. Subtract, bring down the 5. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15, so our answer would be 293. You don't even have to put the decimal at the end because it's a whole number. Remember to check it. We take the answer, the quotient, 293, and multiply it by the divisor. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is 46. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. We do not have to multiply through by the 0 because it won't change anything. Okay, we're going to move 2 places here, so we're going to have to move it 2 places here. That equals your dividend, so then we know we are correct. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, 3 and 236 thousandths divided by 400ths. Okay, I'm going to give you time to do it again. 3 and 236 thousandths divided by 4 hundredths. The dividend is inside. 4 hundredths is on the outside. So I'll give you a couple more minutes. Okay. You have to remember, move the decimal 2 places. So we have to move the decimal 2 places here and then straight up. So now it's like 3,236 divided by 4. Can 4 go into 3? It cannot, so put the 0 here. Okay. Can 4 go into 32? It goes 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. And subtract. Bring down the 3. Can 4 go into 3? It does not go into 3. Now bring the 6 down. Can 4 divide into 36? It goes 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. So then your answer would be 80 and 9/10. So if we do it over here, 80 and 9/10, the quotient, times it by the divisor. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry your 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 times 8 is 32. 1 place here, 2 places here for a total of 3. We move it 3 places here, so 3 and 236 thousandths. And that's the same as this right here, your dividend. So then you know you're correct. So the answer would be 80 and 9/10.